Okay, so second last day of building. Meg and I are going to do a bit of a push to get kind of the last of the staining and polyurethane done in the shop, and then smash out some wiring, pull out the kitchen, and do some painting of the underside of my boxes in there, and then I think we'll be pretty much ready to go. Might do my wiring later on this week elsewhere. Yeah, we'll see, but got a big day ahead of us here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I've been having a bit of a mold buildup issue in the front of the truck because it is still leaking, so I need to take all of this stuff out of the truck so that I can clean everything, sand off the back, and then I'm going to put a coating of rocker guard on the underside so that the water can't actually seep up into the wood if it ever does leak again after me trying to repair the leak, I guess. So here we go. So you can see there's a fair amount of water damage in this little shelving unit, and it's because water gets in from the front under that lip up there and then leaks down and sits in there, and I had this right on the ground. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just cut the bottom so that it sits up off the ground, and also seal, put some sealant along the ledge of the canopy so that water can't get in. I'll do it on the outside as well. So I've just tried for the last like 5 minutes, 10 minutes to get this thing out, just to realize that I totally forgot I had cables running up through the floor, and that's why I can't move them back any further. So I don't think I'm getting this out because I don't want to try and fish the cables back through those holes that I made. Oh well. So we're kind of just frantically trying to get the truck cleaned up now. Yeah, whole floor's cleaned up in there, all the rust is taken off. I'm just doing a few last minute little details over there in the box, and then I got to seal up the ledge on the bottom side, and then push this back into the wall, and we're coating the underside of that box, and yeah, it's almost done. Breakdown. Hello.
Hello.
Here, have a beer.
Thanks, Boo. That's feeling like a salty girl.
Alright, this is what it's looking like so far. So I have a little bit of insulation to cover up on the bottom, but it's looking pretty sharp, I have to say. Interior's really coming along. Some people may wonder why on earth we have an awning out right now. Because it started raining. And then as soon as we got the awning up, it pretty much stopped raining. Not awesome. Putting in work, folks. Just putting in work.
This isn't scary at all with you pointing a camera at me. Is it? Yep. I thought maybe it would have been because you were using it. For safety?
Go. Yeah. Megan, you should talk to the camera.
Hi everybody. I don't know how to YouTube.
Well, we're done for the day. It's been a very busy day. It's like 8 o'clock and we still haven't had dinner, but we're alive and we're pretty happy. And I think we're gonna leave it at that for now. So if you like this video, hit that like button. And if you really want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And if you have something nice to say, leave a comment in the comment section below. Until the next video, have a great old day.
See ya.
Bye.